So if you're having a lot of files in your Google Drive and you want to export all of it, then the best and shortest way is to just use Google Takeout, which basically exports all the files whatsoever are there in your Google Drive. But just in case you are trying to download multiple files, how will you download that? You can just move them into a folder, and then you can just download the folder, or you can select multiple files and you can just click on download. But the thing is, if you'll do that, it will archive all the files, or meaning it will zip all the files. So why is that? That is because whenever you try to download any file from a website, the web browser cannot download multiple files at once. So Google Drive needs to archive all of the files which you're trying to download into a single file, because you can just download the single file at any given point of time. So that is the reason why it archives, or why it zips the file. It needs to create a single file irrespective of the size. So the limitation is from the HTTP protocol, which is used for accessing the website. Since it doesn't allow you to download multiple files at once, therefore you cannot download multiple files from Google Drive. So this is more of how the HTTP protocol functions, and that is exactly how you are able to access the websites. If HTTP is not there, you cannot access any of the websites, or there won't be any internet. So that is the reason why you cannot download multiple files at once from Google Drive. So to fix that part, Google Drive archives all the files, maybe 500, 1000, or multiple thousand files you have. All of them will be archived into a single one, and then it will be downloaded on your system.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.